Hi, I'm Samantha, a certified fitness trainer, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Sunny Health and Fitness Inversion table. It's a perfect tool to help you decompress your spine, relieve back tension, and improve your overall mobility. To start, let me share the benefits with you. Regular use of the inversion table can help reduce back pain, relieve pressure on your spine, and promote better posture and flexibility. It can even boost circulation and reduce tension throughout your body, making it a great addition to your recovery or daily wellness routine. Muscles in your back can get tight throughout the day, and after prolonged periods of sitting, your spine becomes compressed, losing its natural space between your vertebrae. A lot of people don't like the feeling of being inverted, so our Sunny Health and Fitness Inversion table is designed to provide you with the same benefits of one without actually having to be inverted. You'll notice the padded backrest and headrest for added comfort and support, the adjustable padded height mechanism for securing your feet, and the padded adjustable support for your arms allows you to set it up to meet your personal height requirements. These sections will hold your body in place as you stretch your spine. You also have multiple stretching levels to choose from using this turning wheel at the side. As you turn the wheel, this bar will move, pulling your feet gently forward, which will eventually decompress your spine and back. Okay, let me show you how to use your inversion table. First, you want to just carefully sit on the end of the stretcher. You're going to want to put your feet into the locking mechanism. Now this top bar, you're going to want it to sit right on top of your shins in order to lock your feet in place. In order to do that, you're going to pull out the pin, drop the bar, and then secure the pin into place. So this is a nice tight fit for me. The good thing is I can slide my feet out right quick because I also need to set the length correctly for me. So when you're in position, you want the arm paddles to be right underneath your armpits. You could do that by scooting up or down, or you can use the pin right here to adjust the bar. I'm going to bring the bar in a little because I'm quite short. Make sure that it's locked. And now I feel that I'm going to be in the perfect position to start stretching. Let me show you how it's done. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to lock my feet back into place. Slowly and carefully engage my core as I lie down. I feel that the supports are right underneath my armpits. And then from there, using this turn on the side, I'm going to gently turn it towards the feet, rotating. If you can see, it's pulling my feet away from my body, and that's decompressing my vertebrae. I'm going to hold it right there in this stretch, remembering to breathe. And with each little turn, I can feel my back stretching. So each time you feel the stretch, you want to just relax, breathe into the stretch. And the most important thing is that you never turn the dial to pain. You want to be really comfortable with each and every turn. Once you feel that you've reached the end of your flexibility, just rest right there. You can lay here as long as is comfortable for you, a nice few minutes to decompress the spine. Once you're done, you're going to want to turn the wheel all the way back to the beginning until it clicks. Undo your arms, undo your feet, and then come back up to seated position. Woo, so much fun. Now, if you need help and are looking for additional stretching routines, head over to our SunnyFit app and train with one of our professionals. You can choose workouts from our huge collection.